Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Totoro, so let's get started. To draw Totoro, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across. And his eyes are really wide apart, so I'm going to say about right here. Come right here and draw another circle. There, and then we're going to come inside and draw another circle right in the center. And I'm going to give it a little highlight right here and shade the rest in. So same thing over here. There. Got his eyes in, and then right in between the eyes we're going to draw this very broad nose. So right here, just going to come in here with a curve right in the center, round off the sides, and then connect it in the center. And just give myself a tiny little highlight and then shade the rest in. There. And then right above the nose, we're going to draw a very lightly little line right above his nose. Little curve, I mean. There. Oh, cute Totoro. And then let's come down from his nose, about right here. I'm just going to draw a little slant. There. Now he's complete, right? So let's come back to his eyes right here. We're going to start to draw the top of his head. So let's say we're going to come to the bottom of this curve, right, the eye right here, and I'm just going to come out, say about right here, and I'm going to start to slant a curve up for his head. So I'll do the same thing on this side, approximately right here. So we start to draw his head. So we're going to go up, and it's going to get a little bit narrower as we go up. So about right there, start to round it in. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. But I know I'm putting this little leaf right on top of his head, so I'm going to come about right here. Come down. And if you're using a pencil, definitely go ahead and finish this curve. But since I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to stop about right there. And I'm going to wiggle 2 curves and then come up. From there, I'm just going to come to the top right here and finish my leaf and connect. And right here, I'm going to draw a little stem that pops out. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to draw the ears. So right here on this edge, I'm going to draw 2 curves. From there, I'm going to come out, and just remember this is your center, so say about right here, kind of like drawing a unicorn horn. Round off the tip and come right back down and connect. So same thing over here, so it's going to be about right here, just tuck it in right here, curve, come out with your curve on both sides. Find your center, about right here, and connect. There. Okay, so then now let's bring down this line right here. So we're going to start to draw the body. From there, let's bring this curve out a little bit more for his hands. But before I can finish off the hands, I want to come back right here. So underneath the mouth area, so say about right here, and I'm going to start another curve. So same thing on the other side, say about right here. And this is going to be where his body is, his tummy area. So we're going to come down and draw this big curve right here for Totoro's tummy area. So let's bring this down all the way way down. Okay, so keep going. And keep going. Because Totoro is very big, right? So then, about right there, I'll stop. Right in the center, I'm going to find my center. So about right here, give myself a little point. From there, I'm going to start his feet. I'm going to draw 2 angle lines right in the center. And so this is going to be where it separates. I'm going to come right here, come down, and draw a little curve out. And connect. So same thing over here. So come down more. Right there. And curve out and connect. So then for some details, what you could do is you can come in here and just draw indication of the toenails. So I'm going to start about right here. And I'm just going to draw 3. So it's just 3 curves that kind of connect. So same thing here. So 1, 2, and 3. And then now we can go ahead and draw his arm. So we can finish his arm, bring it down pretty low. So down about right there to his sides. About right here, just bring it in. And you can draw his nails as well right here. So just 2 curves. And same thing over here. So I'm going to drag this point across to give myself a guide as to where to stop on the other side. And same thing. Just go ahead and bring this curve in. And the nails. There. Oh, and before I forget, we need to draw his whiskers, right? So I'm going to come close to the eye right here and just draw 3 curves that come out. So same thing over here. One, maybe the center one is the longest, and another one. And so then now we have the tummy area to draw. So it's going to be right underneath the mouth area. So I'm saying about right here, give myself a point right in the center. And from there, I'm going to start to draw this big tummy curve. So I'll just work on this side first, and I'm going to end right here. So really close to the edge and bring it right back down to here. There. Okay, so now the other side. So then we come to here. There. Got a little fatter on this side. But that's okay. That's just what makes Totoro cute, right? There. It's homemade. So from there, let's draw the little markings on his tummy. So I'm going to start right in the center. There's 3 on top and 4 at the bottom. So I'm going to come right here. Draw a curve right in the center. And I'm going to connect it. It's kind of drawing a boomerang, I guess. That kind of shape. Then we're going to draw 2 more, slightly slanted, so about right here. And once again, connect it. And same thing over here. So about right here. And connect. So then we have 4 more to draw. So the 4 ones on the bottom are going to be a little bit smaller, and I'm going to stagger them. So right here, I'm going to add 1 right underneath here. Connect. Next one's about right here. And 1 more. There. So we got the pattern in now, and that is pretty much it for Totoro, right? So I thought it'd be really cute if we draw his little friend right here if you like, and we're going to really do that quickly, so this video is taking forever, right? So 2 little ears come right across, another ear, and just bring him down. And totally simplifying this, so extra cute. And so you have this little shape in here, and then the eyes, just a big circle, a dot inside, and another dot inside right there. And that'd be cute if we just draw a little leaf. So I'm just going to pop out a little stem right here and 2 leaves. And let's see, that is pretty much it, except I'm going to put a heart right here and give him a heart, right? Now he's been stamped by Draw So Cute. So there, I really hope you enjoyed how this Totoro turned out, and I made it fun and easy for you to draw along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.